Under the orders of Inquisitor Toth, the citizens of Tartarus have begun a mass exodus of the planet. Such an action can lead to disaster in the best of situations. But the reports reaching my ears are ones of planet-wide hysteria as the population makes its pilgrimage to the two main spaceports. Convoys of transports and civilians on foot are being plagued by attacks from Orc forces. Stretched thin, the Imperial Guard is barely keeping order in the major population centers, sacrificing their lives long enough to hold back the green tide of the Orcs. They are truly warriors of the Emperor. I wish for nothing more than to be able to join them in this noble cause. But I cannot deny my duty any more than they can deny theirs. We have found proof that the forces of chaos are operating on the planet of Tartarus. Isidore has found evidence on the blasphemous altar that indicates they may be headed towards Mount Korath, an old mountain located dangerously close to an area of heavy Orc activity. I have requested a regiment of Imperial Guard from Colonel Brom to help cover our approach. I regret asking when the Colonel's forces are already stretched to the breaking point, but there are greater things at stake now.
Exalted Farseer, the humans are moving, traversing the slope as you predicted. They are walking into our trap.
Yes, but you can never ambush a space marine. Remember that. They expect treachery at every turn. You can only validate their suspicions.
Your orders?
We have locked the humans into this path as they have locked us into ours. They know they enter a gauntlet, and they will likely drag us into it as well. Now we play our parts, and pray that we are the better actors.
Are you certain?
Yes, the path to Mount Korath. This is where the altar said we must go. Why? Do you question my findings?
I do not question your abilities, brother librarian, but I do question their tactical sense. That mountain pass is the perfect location for an ambush.
Listen to the distrust in his voice. He probably calls you mutant behind your back, but he fears your divinity, your power. You must put the child at ease.
I do not deny that this is likely a trap, which is all the more proof that our enemy lies in this direction.
Very true, old friend. Stay alert and follow my lead. I want no mistakes.
Agreed.
Scouts, are you in position?
Yes, my lord. We have discovered the location of the first Eldar forces.
We must find a way to overcome this Eldar strike force before we can scout out a good location to stage our field operations. Taking command.
Fear not the Psyker. With me, brothers.
Faith is eternal.
We are united in his service. Follow my lead.
Under fire!
My aim shall not falter. My aim shall not falter. My aim shall not falter. We shall know no fear. I shall not fail.
At your command, on patrol.
This structure is a webway portal.
Commencing
The
infiltration.
Eldar use them to quickly travel from one location to another. We must destroy any
This
webway
day shall
portals
be
we
a
find to
glorious
limit the
one
Eldar's
for the
mobility.
Imperium.
I am the instrument of his will.
I shall not fail.
Take and hold.
This is a good location to establish a field base. Gabriel to the Litany of Fury. Lock on my location and prepare to drop HQ. The mutant. Now. Praise the Emperor.
At your command.
Praise the Emperor.
Hope is the first step on the road to disappointment.
Yes, Lord?
Defending
Beware the
objective.
alien, the mutant.
At your command. Maintain attack formation.
Scouts in position. Infiltrating enemy territory.
The Emperor protects.
I am ready to serve. Again.
My aim shall not falter.
My knowledge is at your disposal.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace.
Even in death I still serve. Command me.
My aim shall not falter. My aim shall not falter. My aim shall not falter. My
Defending
aim
objective.
shall not falter.
Under fire.
Scouts in position. Infiltrating enemy territory.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
For the honor of the chapter, I serve mankind.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
Here to serve. Build routine 721 initiated.
At your command.
Now that we have established our field base, we must continue through the mountain pass on foot. Expect heavy resistance. Make sure
I
you move
await
cautiously
your
and keep
instructions.
the field base protected at all times.
Build routine 721 initiated. Yes, Lord?
Defending objective.
Build routine 721
My lord, I have arrived at your
initiated.
request.
We need you to cover the eastern pass. The combat that is occurring here will likely attract the Orc forces nearby. We cannot afford their interference.
I understand. You can count on the Imperial Guard to hold this pass. No orcs will get by us.
Keep me appraised of the situation. If possible, I will provide you assistance if the Orcs attack.
Yes, my lord.
Scouts
Under
here.
fire.
Armor reporting. You've got it.
Yes, my lord. At your command. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Marine squad deployed.
We're here.
Yes, I will see that it happens. It will be done. Colonel Braun taking command.
We are the Emperor's chosen. Stay vigilant, brothers.
Yes, most beneficent one. Build routine 721 initiated.
Marine squad deployed. We are the Emperor's chosen. Weapons at ready. It is time. Fear our wrath. Heresy grows from idleness.
Lehman Russ here. Yes, sir. Lehman Russ here.
He who stands with me shall be my brother.
I am ready to serve. Again.
Under fire!
Confirmed.
We are the Emperor's chosen. Ever vigilant.
How can I serve? I will see that it happens. The Emperor protects.
We stand ready.
Yes, Lord. Build routine 721 initiated.
The Emperor protects. The Emperor protects. At your command. We'll get through this, I know it. Following orders.
Heavy support available.
Faith is eternal.
Here to serve, as you wish.
Under fire!
Yes, Lord. I await your instructions. Build routine 721 initiated.
Faith is eternal.
Follow my lead. Agreed. Confirmed.
Even in death I still serve.
Follow my lead.
Under fire!
My
Gain no
aim
sight.
shall not falter.
For the Emperor!
Under fire!
Squad broken!
Command me.
We shall know no fear.
Squad morale restored!
We shall know no fear. My aim shall not falter. Faith and duty. Confirmed. For terror. For the Emperor.
At your command.
How can I serve?
Yes, most beneficent one. Build routine 721 initiated.
Under fire!
Charge!
For the Emperor!
We must fall back.
At last, back to war.
For the honor of the chapter. For terror.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
My aim shall not falter.
Even in death I still serve. Faith is eternal.
My aim shall not falter.
Faith is eternal.
I know no fear.
For the glory
Even in
of the
death
Emperor.
I still serve.
My aim shall not falter.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself. Faith is eternal.
What is it you desire?
We stand ready.
Heavy support available.
Yes, my lord. Reporting, sir. Yes, my lord. Reporting, sir.
Venerate the immortal
The
Emperor.
Emperor protects.
Faith is eternal.
Under fire! For the Emperor!
My aim shall not falter. My aim shall not falter. My aim shall not falter. Follow my lead. My aim shall not falter. On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
There is no such thing as innocence. Only
Today, the
degrees of
enemy shall
guilt.
know fear.
Yes, most beneficent one. I shall obey. Yes, Lord. Here to serve. Build routine 721 initiated.
For the Emperor! Under fire!
Even in death I still serve.
I shall not fail. For terror. Confirmed.
Under fire!
My aim shall not falter. Confirmed. For the glory of the Emperor. Faith and duty.
I await your instructions. Build routine 721 initiated.
At last, back to war.
We are united in his service. Faith and duty. We are united in his service. I shall not fail. For terror.
Under
My
fire.
aim shall not falter.
To the enemy.
For the Emperor. My aim shall not falter. For terror. Faith and duty.
Under fire. Fear denies faith.
I await your instructions. Build routine 721 initiated.
Marine squad deployed. Fear denies faith. Orders received. Stay vigilant, brothers.
Command me. For the Emperor.
Space Marines!
Confirmed.
Under fire.
My aim shall not falter.
Heresy grows from idleness. Heresy grows from idleness. Fear denies faith. Yes, my lord. Awaiting orders. Marine squad deployed. Faith is our shield. Maintain attack formation.
I am the instrument of his will.
For the Emperor. For the honor of the chapter.
Under fire!
My aim shall not falter.
We must fall back.
Under fire! For the Emperor!
My powers are yours to command.
Under fire!
My aim shall not falter. Faith and duty. I shall not
It is better
fail.
to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
I serve mankind.
Even in death I still serve.
Squad morale restored.
My aim shall not falter.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
My aim shall not falter. The mutant, the heretic. On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
Under fire!
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace. Walk softly and carry a big gun.
I await your instructions. Build routine 721 initiated.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace. Walk softly and carry a big
Under
gun.
fire! What is your order?
My faith is my shield. On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby. My faith is my shield. Beware the alien, the mutant, the heretic.
There is no such thing as innocence, only degrees of guilt. My knowledge is at your disposal. With me, brothers.
Under fire! We are the Emperor's chosen. Fear our wrath. Fear our wrath. Weapons at ready. It is time. Maintain attack formation. Moving out. Understood. Cleanse. Under fire. Kill. Under fire. Squad broken. Charge. We are the Emperor's chosen. Charge! Awaiting orders.
I have awoken.
We are the Emperor's chosen. Under fire. Ever vigilant. Faith is our shield. Awaiting orders. Faith is our shield. Fear is your command. Weapons at ready. It is time.
Command me. Command me.
What is your order? Stay vigilant, brothers. Charge! Under fire! Squad broken! Onward to glory! Understand ready. Morale restored. Yes, my lord.
I have awoken. At last, back to war. Faith is eternal. Take me into battle. I am ready to serve again.
Faith and duty. My aim shall not falter. We are united in his service. For terror, we are united in his service. For the Emperor, for the honor of the chapter.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself. Moving out.
An open mind is like a fortress with its gates unbarred and unguarded.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself. At last, back to war.
My aim shall not falter. Confirmed. Follow my lead. Follow my lead.
Even in death, I still serve.
For the Emperor!
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
Faith and duty.
I stand ready.
Faith
Under
is
fire.
eternal. It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
There is no such thing as innocence, only degrees of guilt.
Faith is eternal.
Follow my lead.
Under fire! Under fire!
We are united in his service. For the honor of the chapter. Agreed. For the honor of the chapter. Faith and duty.
Command me.
Charge! We stand ready. We are the Emperor's chosen. Orders received, brother. Under fire!
Even in death, I still serve.
For terror.
I am the instrument of his will.
Under fire!
Faith and duty.
For the Emperor.
My aim shall not falter.
For the Emperor.
My aim shall not falter. Agreed.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
For the Emperor!
I am ready to serve. Again.
Under fire! Fear our wrath.
Reporting, sir.
Squad broken!
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
Onward to glory! Weapons at ready. Restored. It is time.
I am ready to serve. Again.
Under fire!
My aim shall not falter. My aim shall not falter.
Under fire!
Yes, my lord. We're here.
We stand ready. Charge!
Take the battle to the enemy.
Under fire! Weapons at ready. It is time.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself. For the Emperor.
Charge! Heresy grows from idleness.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself. Faith is eternal.
For the honor of the chapter. For the glory of the Emperor.
Under fire!
Faith is eternal.
My aim shall not falter. My aim shall not falter.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
My aim shall not
For the
falter.
Emperor!
I am the instrument of his will.
Under fire! Under fire!
My aim shall not falter.
The Emperor has
I am
abandoned
the
us!
instrument of his will.
Through discipline, we prevail.
Charge! Form up, men! There's work to be done!
Today the enemy shall know fear. My aim shall not falter.
There is no such thing as innocence, only degrees of...
I am ready to serve. Again. Command me.
Understood.
For the
Understood. Stay vigilant, brothers.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
Praise the Emperor.
There is no such thing as innocence, only degrees of guilt.
Ever vigilant. Fear denies faith. What is your order? At your command. Under fire. Ever vigilant. For the Emperor!
At last, back to war.
Under fire!
Confirmed. For the glory of the Emperor.
For the Emperor!
For the Emperor.
My aim shall not falter. Faith and duty. Agreed.
What is your order?
Even in death I still serve.
Understood. Charge! Moving out. Onward to glory! For the Emperor!
Praise the Emperor. We shall know no fear. For the Emperor.
At last, back to war.
My aim shall not falter. My aim shall not falter. For terror.
Under fire! Under fire!
My aim shall not falter.
Heresy grows from idleness. Moving out. We stand ready. Understood.
It is is better to die for the Emperor than live
He
for
who
yourself.
stands with me shall be my brother.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself. Command me. I will crush those who stand before me. I am the instrument of his will.
Onward to glory! For the Emperor! Under fire!
Reporting, sir. We're here. We'll get through this, I know it.
Here to serve.
Faith is our shield. At your command. Moving out. Fear our wrath.
I am ready to serve again.
We shall know no fear. Faith and duty.
Under fire.
My aim shall not falter.
Under fire.
My aim shall not falter. For the Emperor.
My will is undone!
Today the enemy shall know fear. Taking command. My faith is my shield. My aim shall not falter. My aim shall not falter.
Under fire. For the Emperor!
My aim shall not falter.
An open
I
mind is
command
like
in the
a
name of the
fortress
Emperor.
with its gates unbarred and unguarded.
Heresy grows from idleness. Squad morale restored.
There is no such thing as
What's your
innocence,
order?
only degrees of
Under fire.
venerate the immortal Emperor. My knowledge is at your disposal. An open mind is like a fortress with its gates unbarred and unguarded. Venerate the immortal Emperor. Charge! Fear not the Psyker. Fear not the Psyker. Charge!
Under fire!
I stand ready. Charge! Charge!
We stand ready. Cleanse, purge, kill! What's your order?
There is no such thing as innocence. Only degrees
What
of
is it you
guilt.
desire?
Ever vigilant. Maintain attack formation.
It will be done.
An open mind is like a fortress with its gates unbarred and unguarded. Charge!
Under fire!
We must fall back. Mind over matter. At your command. Venerate the immortal Emperor. I know no fear. There is no such thing as innocence. Only degrees of guilt. Knowledge is power. Hide it well.
Praise the Emperor. I shall not fail. Taking command.
My knowledge is at your disposal. Through discipline, we prevail.
Under fire!
We must fall back. Fear not the Psyker. There is no such thing as innocence, only degrees of guilt. I can sense the enemy. They are close. Venerate the immortal Emperor. Fear not the Psyker. Do I detect uncertainty in your purpose? Through discipline, we prevail.
Attack, men! Attack! How can I serve?
My powers are yours to command.
Yes.
Squad morale restored. Under fire!
What is it you desire? Attack, men! Attack! Attack, men! Attack! Attack, men! Attack! Yes. Yes. How can I serve? It will be done. It will be done. It will be done. It will be done. The Emperor protects. On my way. Attack, men! Attack! We must withdraw! On my way. Returning to duty.
Under fire!
We must withdraw! Attack,
Returning
men!
to
Attack!
duty!
Attack, men! Attack! Yes. Attack, men! Attack! Yes. The Emperor protects. Attack, men! Attack! How can I serve?
What's your order? Orders received. Cleanse, purge, kill. Moving out. Charge. Take and hold.
I will see that it happens. What is it you desire?
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace.
We are still unearthing more Eldar explosives and demolition charges, but we dare not move them. We replace their triggering mechanisms, however. That is all I care to do with such xenotech.
Was this a trap?
No. By the placement of the charges, it is likely they plan to collapse this area, burying the marker and anyone near it.
They failed. Isidore, study the marker and see where it leads us next.
Captain, Inquisitor Toth has arrived.
Of course he has.
Yes, Captain, it is an impressive sight. But I never claimed Chaos had never set foot on this planet before. I said that if something were here, the impending warp storm would eliminate that threat. Best we not remain to share its fate.
And as I explained, Inquisitor, the Blood Ravens will remain until the last possible moment. Until that happens, in 2 or 3 days hence, I plan on pursuing this riddle.
Captain, I do not presume to question your decisions concerning the Blood Ravens. But when it comes to employing the Colonel's Imperial Guard in your quest...
My quest? Yet again you accuse me of pursuing my personal interests. It is my duty, and yours, to expunge any scent of heresy or chaos.
You overstep yourself.
As do you, Inquisitor. It is not the Colonel's Imperial Guard. Their lives belong to the Emperor. It is by his mandate and will that I use the Imperial Guard against the forces of disorder and elevate them in the glory of holy battle.
I see now that coming here was a mistake. If you are set on a path that will lead you to destruction, I can do nothing to stop you. But I won't allow you to drag us down with you. By inquisitorial edict, I am taking control of the planet Tartarus. All requests for planetary resources, including its military, will go through me, Captain. From this point on, you and your men are on your own.